Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Moon and Mother podcast. I'm very excited to get into these next few episodes. I'm going to start rapid firing off some episodes because my kids are both now in school, which means this mom has a lot of time on her hands, and that means I get to help get you educated. Today's episode is how to actually ask for help after the baby comes. Today we're going to talk about something that sounds very simple, but somehow feels really impossible after the baby comes. And asking for help doesn't come easy for everybody. Because before the baby comes, everybody says, let me know if you need anything. And then postpartum hits, and suddenly you're sitting on the couch holding a baby, leaking milk, haven't showered in 3 days, surviving on granola bars, thinking, I need everything, but I don't even know where to start. So let's talk about how to actually ask for help without guilt, awkwardness, or feeling like you're failing. Here's the biggest lie about postpartum. Somewhere along the way, parents, especially moms, were told they should just figure it out. Like you're supposed to recover from birth, feed a newborn every 2 to 3 hours, function on zero sleep, keep the house running, and emotionally regulate everyone around you. All while saying, I'm good. Respectfully, absolutely not. Humans were never meant to do postpartum alone. Historically, families and communities surrounded new parents. Someone cooked, someone cleaned, someone held the baby while you slept. Now we're expected to do it solo and then wonder why postpartum feels so overwhelming. You don't need to be stronger. You need more support. And here's why asking for help feels so hard. Because let's be honest, asking for help feels weird because you don't want to inconvenience anyone. You think you should handle it. You worry people will judge you. Or you don't even know what help you need yet. Also, hormones. 1 minute you're crying because the baby is beautiful. The next minute you're crying because someone loaded the dishwasher wrong. Postpartum is not the time for pride. It's survival mode. People want specific jobs. Here's the biggest tip I give my clients. People don't know how to help unless you tell them exactly how. Let me know if you need anything sounds nice, but it puts all the mental work back on you. Instead of that, try this. Can you bring dinner Tuesday? Can you hold the baby while I shower? Would you mind switching the laundry? Can you walk the dog? Being specific is more helpful. And honestly, most people are relieved to be told what to do. Realistic things you may need help with. Someone handing you a snack every time you sit down to feed the baby. Refilling your emotional support water bottle. Googling things at 3 a.m. so you don't convince yourself the baby has invented a new medical condition. Holding the baby so you can poop peacefully. Yes, peaceful postpartum bathroom trips are luxury experiences you'll come to learn. Create a helpful plan before baby comes. Here's your doula homework. This is what I want you to do before this baby comes. Make a postpartum help list before birth. Think about meal planning, pet care, older kids, cleaning, grocery runs, emotional check-ins. You can even assign people roles. Grandma's cooking meals. Your best friend's a laundry helper. Your partner's friend does yard or errand work. People love feeling useful. Partners are postpartum too. They're tired, adjusting, learning, sometimes feeling helpless watching recovery happen. Encourage partners ask for help as well. They need naps, they need meals, they need emotional support. They also just need friends. This is a family transition, not a solo performance. Asking for help does not mean you're struggling. It means you are parenting realistically. Strong parents build support systems. And honestly, accepting helps teach your child something beautiful. That community matters. Not everyone has nearby family or built-in support. Your village can look like friends, neighbors, postpartum doulas, virtual support, parenting groups, meal trains, faith or community groups. Villages can be created. You are not meant to do postpartum alone. So here's your permission slip to ask for help, accept the meal, take the nap, hand over the baby, say yes when someone offers support, because rested, supportive parents recover better, and babies benefit from cared for caregivers. And remember, you don't win an award for doing postpartum the hardest way possible. If this episode helped you feel a little less alone, share it with a new or expecting parent who needs permission to accept support. And always remember, you've got this and you do not have to do it alone. Thank you for joining me here today.